welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give you guys a little bit of content, and as you can see, I made a regular lasagna for my husband, and then I did a low carb lasagna for myself. So for my low carb lasagna, I actually used one of my favorite items, which is from Natural Heaven, and this is their Hearts of Palm Lasagna Noodles. As you guys saw me actually layering the lasagna, the noodles themselves are not like big long noodles like a regular lasagna would have, but they're actually kind of like little strips like this, about this big. And I was able to kind of layer like 6 of them as one full layer, which was really great. I incorporated so many good things. You guys saw when I made the sauce, I actually put in some spinach and kind of rendered that down so that we had some extra veggies in there as well. For the sauce, we did just regular ground beef. My husband had already browned up the ground beef, onion, seasoned it, and all that good stuff, and garlic. So I did add just some additional spices to kind of zhuzh up the marinara sauce. This was just a strict marinara sauce, no spaghetti sauce or anything else like that. So I was trying to bring down the amount of the carbs. But I whipped up that ricotta cheese. The ricotta cheese itself is so delicious. It has like a little tinge of sweetness to it, but I actually put in so many different spices and seasonings, which I showed you guys in the video, to kind of really, give it a little extra body, a little extra flavor within the lasagna as well. So my husband is over here devouring his. It looks good. It's like steam coming off of there because I just pulled it out of the oven. But it looks delicious and I cannot wait to try mine. I also threw in some olives in that sauce mixture just to kind of, give it a little bite, give it a little tang, a little extra hint of salt. So I'm hoping that it turned out perfectly. I have a little side salad here on the side, and so I'm gonna go ahead and have a bite and really enjoy it, so I'll show you guys. All right, so we have our little hearts of palm right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up. All right, so I got my hearts of palm and everything. So let's try this out and hopefully it's delicious. And of course it is perfect. Bring this down so y'all can see. So I have my little hearts of palm as my little lasagna noodle here, my ricotta and my little seasoning mix and everything that I made. That is what we have. And of course, even that spinach as well. Delicious. Now this is what I call a low carb lasagna. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will go ahead and link the Hearts of Palm lasagna sheets in the description box below if you guys are interested in trying them out. Really, really good. No funky flavor, no mealy aftertaste, and you can hardly, it blends right in, which is perfect. Alrighty guys, so I will see you all here in my next video, right back here on the channel, same time, same place. You guys take care. Bye.